Hello guys, ethical hacking interview questions. What is identity-based attack surface? Modern systems rely heavily on identity, user, services, tokens. Attack surface includes OAuth tokens, API keys, service accounts, SSO systems. Attack can be steal token. It will no need to hack system. Reality, identity is the new perimeter. What is token chaining attack? Using one compromised token to obtain others. Example steal user token, access API to get service token, escalate privileges, multi-step identity abuse. What is refresh token abuse? Refresh token generate new access tokens. Attack steal refresh token generate unlimited sessions. It is long-term persistence. What is SSO misconfiguration attack? Improper SSO implementation leads to bypass. Example, accepting unsigned tokens, weak validation, login as any user. What is cross-tenant attack in cloud? Accessing resources of another tenant cause misconfigured permissions. It is critical cloud risk. What is multi-cloud attack complexity? Organizations use AWS, Azure, GCP. Challenge is different security models, misconfigurations. Attackers exploit weakest link. What is shadow admin in Active Directory? User has indirect admin privileges. Example, can modify group policies, can reset admin password, hidden privilege escalation. What is ACL abuse in Active Directory? Abusing access control list. Example, modify permissions to gain control. Common in enterprise attacks. What is GPO abuse? Group policy, object manipulation, attack, deploy malicious scripts. It affects all systems. What is EDCS? Certificate services attack, abusing certificate based authentication. Attack request certificate, authenticate as user. It requires no password. What is certificate based persistence? Using certificates for long term access. It is hard to detect. What is Kerberos delegation attack chain? Steps are find delegation misconfiguration, impersonate user, access services. It leads to domain compromise. What is identity federation attack? Compromise trust between systems. Example, Azure Active Directory on premises Active Directory. Access both environments. What is SaaS application attack surface? Applications like Google Workspace, Office 365. It risks token theft, OAuth abuse. No need to attack infrastructure. What is email-based attack chain? Steps are phishing email, credential harvesting, login to system, lateral movement. Most common real-world attack. What is browse in the middle attack? Attacker controls browser session. It intercepts all actions. What is session replay attack? Replaying recorded user session. It bypasses authentication. What is device trust abuse? Systems trust registered devices. Attack spoof device identity. It bypasses security control. What is endpoint trust bypass? Bypassing endpoint verification. Example, fake compliant device. What is full enterprise identity attack chain? Real attack flow, phishing. It steals credentials. access, email or SSO, extract tokens, abuse API access, escalate admin role, persists refresh tokens, expand cloud with on-premises, exfiltrate sensitive data. This is how modern breaches happen. Thank you.